We do construction waste recycling here and replacing an old excavator with no emissions controls. It's got 16,000 hours on it. Yeah, we'll save on fuel, changing the engine oil every few weeks. I hope to save about $1,000 a month.
I probably heard about the grant at first on an email that directed me to the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency website and that page, and it had all the information for the application and other forms that are required to apply for the grant. We were allowed 25% of the cost. The cost of the electric material handler is about $250,000. Our grant is for $40,000. So the benefits were the decreased use in purchasing diesel fuel, and probably for the operators is just one less diesel piece of equipment emitting fumes in the building. It's been operating for about 8 months. As far as we can tell, we've been pretty pleased with it. The operator likes it, and we'll probably need at least a year's worth of data to be able to show one way or the other. And it kind of depends on the price of the diesel versus the price of electricity. We're pleased enough with it that we are ordering a second electric material handler.